Yo guys, Nike switching up on us. We ain't seen a traditional shock drop all year, but now they're doing something totally different for this All-Star weekend. So you've seen the thumbnail and the title right. It's a shock drop in one specific location that I hope a lot of my subscribers and a lot of people watching today's video, you guys can take full advantage of. So let's not talk too much. Let's get straight into the meat and potatoes of today's video, man. Let's talk about this shock drop. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video for your boy Da Vintage, man. I was thinking about dropping this video last night, but I'm like, you know what? Let's drop it right around the time this shock drop does happen. And I want you guys to keep your eyes open, keep your attention on the Nike sneakers app over the next couple of days, over the next couple of weeks with all the heat we are getting. I don't think Nike is all the way done with shock drops. I just think they just, push it back for a little while. So we shall see some more shock drops here in the near future, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, you already rocking with the vibes, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please run them likes up. Every single like counts, and we need the likes to go up on this video so we can help more people over on the West Coast for this shock drop for this All-Star weekend, man. So with all that being said, let's jump to the full meat and potatoes. Talk about what shoes is dropping. I got all the full list right here, so let's get into it, man. All right, so for the first shoe that I see on there, I say, yo, ain't no way Nike is doing this already, because I don't think they're supposed to release like April or May, but they do have the Air Jordan 4 white cements dropping early today, bro. Early today, and this is all on 2505 Monarch Street in San Francisco, California. So I'm putting a little text right here so you guys can peep. So all my San Francisco followers, man, please let me know down below in the comment section, because I want to see who all take a dub. And if you do take a dub, send a couple of videos to your boy over on IG. Let me know how the line was looking. Let me know how this All-Star weekend is hitting forward. Be greatly appreciated, man. So the first shoe dropping over on the West Coast is the Air Jordan 4 white cement. So that kind of tells you a couple things. We should see some pairs floating on GOAT, see a couple pairs floating on, eBay and stuff like that. And just because they are dropping them early, so don't be too alarmed when you see a couple different pairs show up on IG, so on YouTube and stuff like that. Your boy Da Vintage might have to pull that trigger, man, because I'm hearing and seeing that the Air Jordan 4 white cements is looking buttery, bro. I'm talking about the execution is just crazy on them things. So that's the first sneaker, the Air Jordan 4 white cements. And the second shoe that we do have right here, let me go ahead and grab them real quick. And they actually dropped today, and I thought they would get a little bit more buzz today, but it seemed like that energy was kept all last year and on the release date, the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. So they're dropping them. It's not even really an early drop, more just like one of those, come pop up and you can snag a pair for retail. The Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. So these dropped today. They sit in everyone on the sneakers app. I don't think they will sit too long because it is a black toe, but I'm telling you, bro, that Air Jordan side did not translate well to a lot of people, but this is the second shoe that is dropping in San Francisco, California today. Go ahead and put these to the side and check out a couple other sneakers they have. And the next two, I'm telling you, bro, are crazy. There's two that are definitely coming to the collection. I told y'all, I'm keeping it to 10 pairs that I'm collecting this year, keeping for the collection. And these is the Air Jordan 4 Red Airs. I seen the homie Jay Sneaker, I had them. I seen a couple of homies, he got kicks and even had them. I'm like, bro, them things is super, super tough. So you can peep and check out the Rare Air Jordan 4s looking crispy, bro. I'm telling you, the quality, the new buck on them guys, the suede, whatever the material is, I'm telling you, they look really, really good. And it almost gives you like a top 3 or what the vibe with those Air Jordan 4s. I don't know, that maybe just my opinion. But the Red Airs will be dropping today as well, man. And then probably one of my ultimate grails as well. I got like a grail list. I got like an ultimate grail list. Shoes I always grew up, always wanted. And this is a part of it, the Air Jordan 5 white grapes. Now I have the black grapes, I have the alternate grapes, but I do not have these guys. These are the ones I've been wanting for the collection for forever, and they will be also dropping today. And like I said, some of these shoes you might start seeing early on my channel because I need to cross those grails off, and I can also show you guys them early. And all these shoes are scheduled to release in this spring and summertime, so you guys know your boy Da Vintage gonna have them things on the way, man. And then the next two is a pair or two pairs of Air Jordan 1s. I'm not too sure what the names are, but they kind of give you this blue pair, like a storm blue, kind of give you like some Union vibes with the white collar and that storm blue on the bottom, or like a royal blue. I don't know the name of the specific colorway, but these are something that is scheduled to drop today as well, along with these Air Jordan 1s. I don't even know the name of them, but I do think they're actually pretty slick. I think these could go well in the sneaker community, given the fact that they look like a sneaker. I can't put my finger on it. I can't think of the name, but you guys can help me out. This all white pair, and I can't think of the name, y'all. It was like a white pair, it was a red pair, and it was a blue pair. And once you wore them, the white kind of wore off and stuff like that. I know y'all know in the comment section, so please let me know. So these are the sneakers that are dropping today in San Francisco, California. The address will be linked down below. So all you guys asking, where's the shop drop? Where's it happening? Check the description box, check on the screen. I'm here for y'all so I can get these dubs. And if y'all gotta, snag a couple extra pairs, 9.5, y'all hit your boy The Vintage up, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Shock drop is a way we have never seen it before, but hopefully over the next couple of weeks, we see a couple of shock drops on probably, the Air Jordan 12 flu games and even the Air Jordan 4 white cements on the Sneakers app. We need to see some Sneakers app shock drops. I need to get that early, dub on the Sneakers app. It's just nothing like a regular dub, retail dub on the Sneakers app. It just feels so much better than paying resale or even get them on a release date, man. So let me know if you guys have been getting some dubs today in San Francisco, California. Hope y'all enjoying y'all day, enjoying your weekend, enjoy the loved ones. But all being said, man, sub up, hit the notification bell, run them likes up, man. Your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.